Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. Alright, this time around, my February 2019 Pro Wrestling Crate unboxing. First of all, wrestling t-shirt of pretty much my idol wrestling, Bret the Hitman Hart. It was an honor to meet Bret the Hitman Hart last year in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee for the Bubba Fest. This year's Bubba Fest will have Goldust and R-Truth at it. So for any of you that are fans of Goldust or R-Truth, look up the Bubba Fest site. It takes place in Knoxville, Tennessee in August. Next shirt, Johnny Wrestling All Heart, aka Johnny Gargano of NXT. If I remember correct, he made his WWE debut this week on Raw and SmackDown. This time's Michael Brawlers is Kota Ibushi. Now, on my Pro Wrestling loot, maybe that was the pendant. Maybe that's who the pendant was. Unfortunately, the list didn't say who it was. But maybe this is who I was meaning. These used to be over something wrestling fanny packs. This time's wrestling pendant, Dude Love, which is pretty much the unpopular Mick Foley gimmick. High Spots Wrestling Network presents Jimmy Hart's Shoot interview. Yeah, pause the read if you want to read the back. I don't know how well you can see it. But for those of you that watch my videos in the living room, you'll notice I got the fucked up lines that will make things look worse than this background. Let's see if there's anything else before I do the 8x10. Maybe more. Feels a little thicker than one. No, apparently just one, and this time it's an autograph 8x10 of Greg the Hammer Valentine. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner, or at least that's everything in the box. I should have this episode uploaded on my wrestling channel on Tuesday, but also on my main channel on Wednesday. But for those of you that don't know, I'm starting a trivia question, Big Lee's wrestling trivia question segment that starts tomorrow on my wrestling channel, or is on right now when you're watching this on my main channel. Depending what channel you subscribe to, if you want to try to see if you can answer these questions, or see if you know these questions, it'll be an honor to have you check those out. And by the way, yes, I was wasted when I did the first two videos, when you see them. And what else? Big Lee Corner t-shirts. I have yet to have one, but believe me, the moment I have one, it will be on me. I don't know if I'll have it next month or the month after. But anyway, check out Spring Tees. I'll have the link in the description for that and for the Pro Wrestling Crate. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.